Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Alfonzo. So you're the amazing Alfonzo?
Yeah, you got a problem with that? Was my top hat on fire again? Cheers, mate. I bought a really cheap top hat and it keeps catching fire for some reason.
I thought it was a trick.
No, it's just a shit top hat. So, do you want to see a trick?
Yeah, go on then.
You like this? Right, George, do you want to check behind your plinth? Oh, yeah. In your own time, love.
Is this the trick?
It's a bottle of strong cider and 20 Regals. Susie, check under your desk, love. So, a bottle of strong cider and 20 cigs.
Joe, can I stop you there? Do all of your tricks involve producing strong cider and 20 cigarettes?
Very much. Well, I've got one other one, but I've never done it before, so it might be a bit shit.
Can we see it?
Fabio, bring on the tank. Basically, what we were going to do here, I was going to be tied up into a sack, chained, locked, and then dropped into this tank. And then I was going to get 30 seconds to escape. But we discussed it, and we realised it was way, way, way too dangerous. So instead, we thought Fabio would do it. That way, if something goes wrong, who gives a fuck? And then I thought what you could do is the teams could guess whether he survives it or not, you know, and then maybe win a point.
OK, so, Johnny, do you think Fabio's going to get out in time? Do you think he's going to make it?
I don't think he's going to make it.
John?
I think this show cannot go on without Fabio, and I think he must survive.
You think he's going to survive? Should we do this, Joe?
Let's do this, bollocks. Lower the pissing winch. Grab hold of it. Got my bag of nerves. Raise the pissing winch. Lower the pissing winch. Right, yeah, he's ready.
OK. All right, Fabio, your time starts now.
He's still got air in there. He's still got air. He's running out of air. He is running out of air. He has run out of... No, he's back. Keep breathing, boy. Ooh.
I don't think he got out.
Did he not, Jimmy? Do you want to check under your desk?
There's a bottle of strong cider.
Shit. I forgot to give him the key.
Very soon.
Yeah, I'm going to have to make a few phone calls.
Well, I guess because he didn't get out, the good news is Johnny gets a point.
Love you.
game. Johnny, Sarah, your turn to choose.
Can we have...
I'll do it.
Okay, great. 4 vowels, please.
4 vowels.
Yes.
Joe, mate. Sorry, I think your hat was on fire.
No, I don't think so.
Joe, mate. Joe, your hat was just on fire.
Stop fucking around with it. What else do you want?
5 consonants.
5 consonants. A lucky start. R. That looks like a pile of shit. Good luck.